Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where the only thing seasoned in my mother-in-law's house is her collection of cast iron skillets. Today we're making pineapple chicken curry. To a pot, we're going to add about a tablespoon of oil. Now with our oil heated up, we're going to add in one medium onion that we diced and 2 cloves of minced garlic. We're going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now, after 3 to 4 minutes, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of red curry paste. Cook it for a minute to break up the paste. Now, after a minute of cooking, we're going to add in 1 can of coconut milk. And 1 diced red bell pepper. Stir to combine. Oh, no. I almost forgot the zest of 1 lime. Now we'll stir to combine. We're going to bring it to a boil. Now that it's starting to boil, we're going to reduce heat to low and we're going to simmer for 6 to 8 minutes or until the bell pepper is tender. And now that the peppers are tender, we're going to add in 1 pound of chicken breast that we've cubed up into about 1-inch cubes. And 2 cups of pineapple chunks. I'm just going in with a can of 20 ounce can of pineapple chunks with the juice drained. Stir that in. We're going to bring it back to a simmer. Now that we brought it back to a simmer, we're just going to cook until the chicken is done. Now that it's done, we're going to cut off the heat. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar. I don't have coconut sugar, so I'm substituting it for brown sugar. I'm not buying a whole big thing of coconut sugar for 1 tablespoon for one dish. Well, that's probably the only time I'm going to use it. It's just this, like that fish sauce. Probably never use it again. Now we're going to add in 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. Or if you can find it, Thai basil. That's what it calls for. Or this recipe said or cilantro, so I couldn't find Thai basil, so we're going cilantro. Now we're going to serve it over some rice. And then it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. Pretty darn good. I've had it a couple times at a restaurant. Pretty close. And a heck of a lot cheaper. I ain't done the math, so I couldn't tell you how much it cost. Heck of a lot cheaper, that's for sure. Anyway, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. That's not one of those episodes anyway.